what's the sort of minimum level? Is it a flat fee? Is it a per unit? Do you have different tiers of pricing? And
Yeah. So when we thought of pricing and built it in, there were a couple things that were super important to us. One, the price had to be something where your time, no matter who you are as a real estate investor. So take the 19-year-old who is making maybe now minimum wage at $15, but say it was like at $12, right? If you're doing that, we would save you more time than what you're doing, right, in order to make that price work, right? So that was really important to us because I think when you're just starting out and you're looking at your net operating income and your cash flow, like you really want to make sure that you have optimized your property management.